Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do another GizZada video for you guys. I will give you the measurement at the end of the video, but normally I really don't do measurement because I know what I'm doing, so I just go about and do it. But I'll try and give you the measurement and the ingredients I use at the end of this video. This is my coconut. I've already husked it out. And wash it. So I'm gonna grate it now, and then I'm gonna do less talking because at the end I'm gonna give you measurement and ingredients. So I'm gonna do less talking. That's my grated coconut, flour, butter, vanilla, sugar, salt. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, that is the pot for the coconut where I'm gonna boil it. It is the filling for the GizZada. So I have some water in the pot, so I'm gonna put the coconut in there and the ingredients that I'm gonna use in it. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, I've put in my coconut and this is 3 cups. Okay guys, I've put in my coconut. I've put in the coconut in the water. So I'm gonna let this cook. It's gonna dry right out. Every water must dry out of it. So that is 3 cups of grated coconut. As I said before, I've already done the dough, so I put it one side. Now I'm doing the coconut, so I have it on the stove. So this is 3 cups of grated coconut in some water, so that's gonna boil right down. Every water must dry out of it. So guys, I've put in 1 cup of sugar. You see sugar change the color. So I put in 1 cup of sugar. I don't really want it too sweet. I'm gonna taste it and see how sweet it is, if it wants any more. So I'll let you know if I put any more sugar in it. So guys, I've put 1/2 cup more sugar in it. You can sweeten it to your liking. So that is 1/2 cup more sugar. So in all I put 1.5 cups sugar. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Here I have a little bit over 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, grated nutmeg. And this is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Guys, if you want to put more spices in it, you can put it, but that's all I'm putting in mine. But if you want to put more spices, you can put it. So you see it start to boil, so I'm gonna let the coconut boil. And it's gonna boil right down until it dry out, and then I'll carry you through the process of making it. And guys, you can put a little tubs of salt in there. Don't salt it, just a little bit of salt to your taste. Don't salt it. So I'm gonna put the same one, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. So I'm gonna make that dry out a little bit more, and then we can start with the GizZada then. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Guys, I have to seal it good. Seal it properly. So this is my first one. Guys, I use the fork to close the edge. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Guys, I'm making the GizZadas now. So I use the fork and close the edge. Guys, this is a coconut filling. Guys, it's very easy to make. Very easy. Then I use it fork to close it. Just like that. Easy, easy, easy. I use the knife to square it up. Make sure it's lock good. There, guys. So guys, I got 6 GizZada out of it all. 6. But you can get more, depends on the size, or you can get less. If you want them bigger, you will get less. Or if you want them smaller, you will get more. So it all depends on you how you want them. So this is my size. I like them how they stay. I don't like them any smaller. So these are good size. These are good size. You can make them this size, or you can make them a little smaller. So this is what I get, and I carry you through the measurement and the ingredients that I use. Okay, so I'm gonna put them. See, I have thing there heating up now to put them on. So when it heats, I'll put them on it. Okay guys, that's my GizZada. So when I take them off, I'll let you see the finish. I'm gonna cut one open for you and you will see. Guys, they're a little bit sweet. So I did say 1.5 cups of sugar to the 3 cups of coconut. It all depends on the amount of water you put in there. So you can use 1 cup of sugar or 1.25 cups sugar. Okay guys, that is the finished stuff. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.